Here on the right used to be the headquarters of MI6. That's where James Bond used to go to work. There's a secret tunnel underneath this building that takes you round the corner to the St. Ermin's Hotel, the House of Spies. It's where the spies would go for a drink after work and get their informants nice and drunk. Here it is on the right, the St. Ermin's. If you head in the foyer of this hotel, you can see a glass case full of all the spy gear that the quartermaster or Q made for the spies during World War II. We've got an old school here on the left, the Blue Coat School. Look at the boy wearing the blue coat and the yellow socks. That's his old school uniform. What a nerd. Here on the left, this is the Taj Hotel, but it used to be known as St. James's Court. If you looked through this archway on the left, you can see where Queen Victoria used to send her family to stay when they were visiting. Her grandchildren had been married off, her children had been married off to royals around Europe so that her grandchildren would be in charge of all the different countries in the continent. She was the grandmother of Europe. Her favourite grandson was Kaiser Wilhelm of Germany. Here on the right, the Wellington Barracks, where the King's Guards will stay. They're the people in the tall bearskin hats.